I'm documenting the process of scaling my business in 2026 from a small handyman business into a real construction company. This is week 3. Here's what happened this week. Work on the business was slow this week, so I spent more time working my part-time jobs. Early in the week, I had a trim job lined up from a repeat client that was supposed to take up most of my schedule. I went out, looked at the project, and prepared the quote. But right before the job started, the owner decided to have a family member do the work instead. That stung a little, because that job was basically my whole week. But that's part of business. I visited a local construction company called G & Sons Home Improvement. One of their team members saw my videos and reached out about possibly subcontracting their work out to me. They said they need subcontractors pretty often, so I stopped by their office, met the team, and talked through how we might work together. Copped a BMW, then went to Innovation Connector in Muncie. They help local businesses get started and grow. I met with their executive director, Frank. Before I even walked in the door, he already put together a packet with my name on it. Shout out to him because he took the time out of his busy schedule to answer my questions and break down exactly what I should focus on next for my business. I immediately took what I learned from Frank and went straight to work on designing something I wish I would have thought of years ago. I built a custom quote system. This took several days to create and costed a lot of sleep, but it solves a big problem I've had. In the past, creating quotes could take me days, sometimes even up to a week. Now everything runs through one spreadsheet. I enter the service, the materials, and the quantities, and the system calculates everything automatically. Everything updates instantly. Once everything is filled out, I press one button. The spreadsheet automatically creates a professional quote document in my Google Drive. This is a game changer for me. Before this system, quoting jobs was slow and stressful. Now I can create quotes while I'm at the job site. While I didn't have a lot of jobs this week, I still made a lot of progress behind the scenes. I learned that in business, systems are everything, and this week was a big step in that direction. If you build systems that help your business run better, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below.